Good running, and Smith had to go just a few paces to his left to collect that. Got the bounce throw in, but the non-striker, he's working. Yeah, he's not happy.
He's been like that for about 10 overs, though.
Been very tiring 20 overs for him.
He's going to give himself a heart attack at some stage, and he's committed. He's given it everything. Expects the same from his fieldsmen. To be fair, the outfield is a little dry and a little bumpy, and you can't just come in carry. You've got to kind of make sure you get your hands on the ball, because it is quite bumpy out there. So Juaid Khan, 3 overs, 2 for 9 so far. He's bowled well. He has been entrusted with the last over. Northants need 7.
I'll be very interested to see, is he going to bowl full, which we haven't seen so far. Can he do that? Or is he going to resort to the shorter deliveries and the variety that he's shown us so far in his 3 overs?
Coming from Pakistan, it'd be amazing if he didn't have the ability to bowl York, because I've hardly seen a fast bowler from that part of the world that can't do that. A long lineage of expert Yorker bowlers. Here he comes. Yep. Tries to get it full. Six from 5. Just to recap, if it is a tie, that's it. We don't have a count back or fewer wickets or a super over or any of that. It's just a tie. Beautifully bowled. Oh, that's out, that's out. I think it is. Nigel Long thinks it is. He's gone upstairs, but with a nod of the head to suggest that Wakely has been run out.
Yeah, and the fact that it's Wakely's, well, he had the head down early. He knew it was always going to be tight. And with one stump really to look at, Juaid getting out of the way, not getting the foot in the way, but yep. Well, just the start. And the important thing, of course, A, it's Wakely, and secondly, it's a ball not scored from.
They're scrapping like mad, Lancashire. It's been a terrific effort, this, defending just 110. Nothing to speak of, really, but bowled and fielded as if their lives depend on it, and they're still doing that. And all of a sudden, Northants are pushed here. They need 6 from 4. And it looks like Juaid Khan has the ability to bowl those Yorkers. We thought he might have.
Very wide, wasn't he, on the crease, angling it back in. Made it quite difficult, in fact, for the batsman going leg side to get underway to take the single. I would have thought it might have been worth waiting. Hall.
Beautifully bowled. The value of having a great bowler at the deck. We've seen it with Lasith Malinga. We've seen it occasionally with the Northants captain, Andrew Hall. We've seen it with others in World 2020s like Umar Gul. And Juaid Khan is doing the business here for Lancashire. 6 from 3 required. Hall coming back. He's hurrying. Made it. Don't know whether the throw was at the wrong end. Maharouf had to make a snap decision where to throw.
Wasn't a powerful throw, a bounce throw. Got the length right again. And Hall's not the quickest, but at least he had the opportunity. Yeah, I think he got the length right, the end right, Athers.
I think he did, because Hall's backing up in hugely at the non-striker's end. Northants need 4 from 2. Another fantastic Yorker. And all of a sudden, having cantered throughout this game seemingly, Northants need a boundary from the last ball to win this game, or 3 to tie.
Well, if Lancashire win this match, then Juaid Khan surely has played a very big role for his side here with the ball. difficult up the front, got wickets, and now this over. Normally the 19th over is the one, isn't it, where you push the total out. Here we go.
Final delivery, boundary needed. Brilliant bowling from Juaid Khan, and Lancashire scrapping to the end have pulled a victory from what looked like a certain defeat for most of this game. They only scored 110, nobody really thought it was enough, but in defending that, they defended the third lowest total ever in 2020 history in this game. Peter Moores thinks they've just taken one against the head there, but well played Lancashire. They bowled and fielded, they scrapped right to left. A bit of brilliance from Juaid Khan means that they've won.
Terrific last over. Willie, who hadn't been in long, to be fair to the man, he just could not get a bat on 3 or 4 of those deliveries, and there's the excitement and the celebration from Khan and his colleagues. And at last Croft can stop kicking the turf. Yep, he's delighted, as are Lancashire. They need now just to win one of their